Good morning. We're doing this video today to talk about how to put our Gators back in service after they've been in the sand or mud or off-road. The goal behind this is to try to make it so we can reduce the damage of salt that's on the sand and rusting the Gators and making it so we have a longer life on these vehicles. We've done some things like bed lining as much as we can, rinsing as much as we can, but we want to make all of y'all realize what's going on. We've talked about this in meetings before, but now we got YouTube. First thing, Gator 2, as far as accessing it, first thing we want to do is get everything out of the back of the Gator. It's an easy one. You just have a simple latch right here, lift her up, got a kickstand that goes into place. Understand, all these things are sometimes kind of a little ornery to get to and open up and close. That's okay, be patient. So, we're gonna blow out, we're gonna rinse it gently because we don't want to hit the electronics all that hard. We just want to do it gentle, like we're spraying down the porch a little bit. No pressure washers, and I'm not asking you to wax this thing, hit it with a car wash brush or anything like that. We just want it to get rinsed. There will be directions enclosed in the four-wheel in the Gators here to help give you a little sense of what we're trying to do here. Put this down. We take a little bit of pressure off of the back and we lower it down until you hear it snap. It's good. Fuel tank, we want it to be at least at a half a tank. If you need to fill it up, we have gas cans around the station. But if we don't have full gas cans around the station, feel free to go around Circle K if you would. Put in $4 or $5 it goes to go in it. Give me your receipt and I will gladly reimburse you. Please don't leave all the gas cans empty in the fire station unless you notify me or the assistant chief so we can make sure that we're all ready for the next call. Now, we'll show Gator 1 a little bit more in detail here. First thing we gotta do is get everything off the truck, off the vehicle here. All right, you wanna make sure you place everything uphill from the water so you don't get it all wet. I know sometimes this may not be what you want to do after you've been out on a call. If you're unable to do this because of time or strength or anything, let me know and I'll get someone up here who can get it taken care of. But the most important thing is if there's anything wrong is to let us know so we can get it taken care of. That way we're ready for the emergencies that we run on. All right. Get everything out of the back. I'm going to start up here at the front with the hood. This hood can be kind of ornery, but what it is you push up and you go towards the driver or counterclockwise. So up and push. All right. It sometimes can be temperamental, but it is. It is what it is. All right, go around this side so I can show. This one's much different, a little more complicated because that is just a stock back of a Gator on Gator 2. This one has what we call skid. It's got the medical skid on it. And what we do is we simply pop that, get out of the way, and then behind the seat, driver's seat, there's a lever. And let me get where I'm lifting and releasing at the same time. Same thing here. Don't depend on this, so don't hang your head down there or do anything like that. Now there's two, the reason I say blow it out with either an SCBA or a blower is it makes it so you have less sand that you have to try to get rid of with the water. The SCBA bottle, it's very quick, very convenient, very loud. So just pretty much make your choice. And just simply give it a little bit of a crack. I realized that the blower is usually a little bit on the better side. There is a blower here at the station that I've left. Just turn it on. What you do after the garden hose, there is going to be sand that's left, but at least we try to reduce the amount of salt water we have. So if you see a lot of sand here, just gentle, rinse it out, rinse off the general body. Try to avoid right at the lights. They're sealed, but it will still take on it. Sometimes having this thing pointing more downhill will keep the problem like I'm having right there where the water's cooling up. And this is taking me probably about 10 minutes altogether. Well, you know. Like I said, once again, if you can't do it because of time or you having problems opening it, let me or my assistant chief know, and we'll help get it done. If you come here and you find it dirty, just when you're running around the station, let me or my assistant chief know, and we'll try to get it taken care of. All right. What we've done here is what has been recommended to us by Beard Equipment. Those are the people who we bought these from. We manage and takes care of the service on these. So there may be other ways to do it, but that's who our experts tell us to do. This will make a difference in taking care of keeping our stuff going further, and more importantly, y'all make a difference, and I thank you very much. Have a good day.